everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my Boxycharm Premium Box unboxing for the month of October. So we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here with me. I love having all of you guys as part of the family, and so glad that you were able to join again. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and typically on my channel I do all things makeup. Reviews, unboxings. I have moved recently, so my schedule is just a little off still. I'm trying to adjust and get things to a normal schedule. So there will be more consistent uploads in the future. I typically do a What's New Wednesday as well. So please click the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. It does make a huge difference for me. So if you click the subscribe button, that would be awesome. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the box. So like I said, we're doing the Boxycharm Premium unboxing for the month of October. Now I know many people have talked about this already. I mentioned it in a previous video, but as of November, the price for Boxycharm Premium and Boxycharm Luxe are both going up. Boxycharm Premium will go up to $39.95, which is about $4.99 per month increase. And then the Luxe, I can't remember, I think it goes up to $55 or something like that. I can't remember the exact price. There is not a significant difference in what you're getting for the price increase, only that they have noted that they're going to focus on some different brands as well as doing more makeup versus other things in the box. So it'll be interesting to see with the price change, what is the difference. I do know with all of the things going on, shipping difficulties, staffing difficulties, price increase in general, that almost everyone or most makeup boxes have done an increase recently. Ipsy has done an increase. We know several months ago Allure did an increase. So certainly we have seen lots of changes. So we'll see what this brings, but let's jump into this box for this month. Again, this is Boxycharm Premium, and the theme is Spellbound for the month of October, of course. So I do love the colors and all of the different things. I'm a purple fan. Purple's my favorite color. Inside, they do have some of the changes that they're doing. So they are calling it, instead of add-ons and those kind of things, they are changing the names to Drop Shop. Then they are doing a Mega Drop Shop, as well as the Boxy Beauty Bash, which is kind of the year-end sale that they have. So all of these things happen. I am hopefully getting this uploaded today. It is the choice for today, so we will log on and talk about that in just a minute. Because I haven't made my choice, I've been doing interviews and all kinds of other stuff, so we'll get through that in just a second. The first thing that I'm pulling out here, though, is a skincare product. This is the Perricone MD Brightening. Sorry, wow, that was 2 words in one. Vitamin C Brightening Cream Cleanser. And so for those of you who don't follow, Aliceintherabbithole did a great video on cleansers and kind of the efficacy or the potential efficacy of having different products in your cleanser, with the idea that we don't leave cleansers on for a long time. So are there different things in cleansers that potentially could be a benefit of using them, or is it really just money wasted? Please go watch her video. That's great. There are some really good information on there. But let's talk about this product right here. This is $35 is the retail value. It is a vitamin C ester citrus brightening cleanser, a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin of natural oils. The fresh cleanser is formulated with Perricone MD's proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C, to visibly smooth and brighten. It also contains DMAE to visibly lift and copper complex to hydrate and energize skin. So the DMAE and the copper both are really good. The DMAE does provide a lift to your skin. Again, though, being in a cleanser, you are not leaving it on for a long time, so the potential benefits are or could be negligible. It has a seal. I'm not even going to open this because I know that I'm not going to use this product. I have a vitamin C serum that I really, really like that I use consistently, so I won't use this. I will put this in a giveaway. Again, when I get to 50, I will do a big giveaway. I have a whole bunch of products that I would love to share with you guys, and this will be one of them. The next product I have in here is the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. Retail value on this is $18. I do like the triangle shape and I like the outside packaging. Let's open this up and see what it's, oh, and that's beautiful. It is that rose gold with a pink logo on there, the LYS, and it is actually a triangle bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this because it does look like a beautiful color right there. And I really like that. It does pull a little bit orange, but we'll see how it applies on my skin and kind of blends out. It is nice and velvety smooth. It doesn't feel bad at all. They do provide a little mirror in there that is triangle as well. It is a magnetic closure, which I absolutely love. Sorry, I know that's a little bit weird. Anyways, so this basically says it is a velvety texture. It is a clean, easy to blend bronzer. Again, clean is negligible as well. Aliceintherabbithole did a good thing on that. Also, it delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together. It has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract that's finely milled into this bronzer that will help blur imperfections. So that's interesting that it has niacinamide. Niacinamide will help with discolorations. However, again, you're only putting this on a small part of your skin. So right where you would do the bronzer part and you're blending it out, you're not putting it concentrated. So the efficacy of this product, we'll see, but I do like it. I like the idea. I love the packaging. Absolutely will work on trying this in my next video. The next thing that I see in here is, again, another triangle product from Lily Lashes. I've never gotten anything from Lily Lashes, amazingly. So Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. I keep trying to combine words. Retail value is $65, and so this is a serum that has lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. There is, and I can't see it because I do not have my, so there is actually a product that you need to have in here, and there is a skincare woman that I watch on YouTube, and I will insert her name because it completely escapes me right now. But there's a specific product or ingredient that promotes the growth of your lashes and or hair or whatever, very similar to matrixylate, but it's called something different. If it's not in there, then basically this is going to be a conditioning serum. So I will look at that and put that in the comments. I don't know if it has that component in it. It is vegan. It has biotin, which of course will help with overall strength and growth, although it doesn't stop or change the hair cycle, which is what you want to do when you're trying to grow new hair, is promote that longevity of it. It does have red ginseng. It also has amino acids. And it is actually a triangle product. So white with the gold at both ends, which is very, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And it is actually one of those brushes that you brush along your lash line. They do always comment or say that you shouldn't get it in your eyes, so just be careful with this. And again, I will put all the information down below about this, but absolutely will try this because I'm always in need of something to lengthen my lashes. Not mad about it at all. The next product that I have in here is from Tarte. And I'll show you the part that shows the color. So this is the Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Lip Gloss. This is a nourishing formula that smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine. Retail value is $19. It says Volume Plump Complex to visibly plump lips. That's a made-up name, but okay. Wraps lips in high shine color. It basically says the same thing. Let's go ahead and pull this out of here and swatch it. Beautiful. It has the Man-Eater little leopardishness on it. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And it is, I don't know if you could see that, it is very, very stringy lip gloss. I'm going to put this on here. It does feel nice and thick. It doesn't smell like anything. Definitely some peppermint when you first put it on, so that's where you get that plumping action from. But I didn't smell it. It's not super uncomfortable. We'll see. So definitely not a bad thing. I am absolutely for it. A lip gloss is always a good thing. And then the very last product in here is from Benefit. And this is, oh, this is not the last product. There has to be another product here. Okay, there's two more. Sorry. This is from Benefit. This is an OG blush. This is the Georgia Peach blush. We'll open it up. It does have the brush right there, and that is the blush right there. I will go ahead and swatch this for you. I will say Benefit's product, especially the ones in the box, typically have smells to them that are a little much for me. And so that's after one swatch. It is very, very light. It does require quite a bit of build up for me, and definitely not my favorite blush. There is a palette that is like Rockstar palette, or it's called something like that, that has several of their OG products in it. I like that a ton more. That is a palette that I typically use. This is not something that I will consistently use, so I will disinfect this and pass this along to the next person. But the retail value for this is $30. OG thing from Benefit for sure. And then the very last product that I have in here is Dew of Gods. This is the Collagen Eye Patch, under eye patch. And let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. The packaging is super cute. It's one of those old school Band-Aid type tin containers. So I actually love this. I will repurpose this once I use all of the collagen patches, because these are super cool to put different things in. I do say though that to get them out, sometimes it's a little challenging. You can't pull just one out. You'll have to pull more than one. The Dew of Gods Filla Collagen Under Eye Pads. It says that they have collagen, vitamin C, witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. 30 minutes on. So it is much longer than the typical eye patch, typically 15 or 20 minutes. This is saying they're recommending 30 minutes. There are, it's $20 and there are 10 of them in here. So overall, it's a really good price. If they work, I think that's great. My variation is 2:08 p.m. So again, that's my premium box. What did you guys think about the box? What did you guys get? I know there were tons and tons of variations. I'm not mad about this box. I do think for a premium box, there are some things that my video keeps stopping, sorry. There are some things that I think in a premium box, I would expect it to be more higher end. And so I'm hoping with the price increase that that's what we get, is the higher end kind of brands, different things that we can try from this, but we'll have to see what happens. Drop me a line, let me know what you guys got in your box, what you're most looking forward to using from your boxes. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And I totally forgot, choice. Let's talk about choice. This is for the base box and the premium box because I do get both. So choice is, let's go ahead and look at this. There is a Tristique, my brain, highlighting foundation stick. There is a Luxie brush set, and this is for the base, or there is a Kate Somerville product. I don't want a cleanser. I do not want that foundation stick, so I'm going to pick the Luxie brushes. So we're choosing that. And then for my premium, I can either pick Persona Cosmetics or the KVD Beauty Lock-It Powder Foundation, but quite a few of the colors are already chosen. Most of the light ones that I would probably pick are chosen, plus I heard varying things about that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the Persona Cosmetics because I do like their palettes. And then the last choice that I have is the Nude Skin Lemon Acid Detox or the Sutra Beauty Rejuvenating Hair Serum. I want neither of those because again, makeup focus is what my preference is. So I could have a glow micro peel or a rejuvenating hair serum. And so for me, my hair has been thinning lately. I've been trying different products. There's some medical stuff going on. Of course, we won't really get into that right now, but I guess I'm gonna get the rejuvenating hair serum, and those are my choices for next month. So there you go. All right, bye.